What's going on, guys? This is Mac for B4YB, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an OfferUp meetup. It's a $250 PC. It's an i5 6600K. Gonna withdraw some cash and then we're gonna check it out, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. So I just closed the deal with the guy. I paid him 250 bucks, but yeah, the guy seemed really nice. Didn't seem sketchy at all. He was a super polite dude. So I'm back at my place and this is what we ended up with. It's definitely a pre-build. Oh, this case is fucking heavy. So this is definitely the weakest part of this whole thing. Soitec, I don't know what that is. This motherboard too is just B150M Pro. At least it's... Is this an Asus board? I think this is an Asus board. Or no, this looks like an MSI. Sweet. The guy wasn't lying. We do have an i5 6600K. It's unlocked. That is awesome. So RAM, ooh, DDR4 2400. Okay, so we got something here. Alright, so we're gonna boot and see what we got going on. So we're just installing Windows 10 right now. So the plan is to replace the power supply and swap out the GPU. So we'll see how cheap we can get both of those things and see if we can flip this whole thing. Okay, so we have CSGO now. We're going to test it out and see how well we do. I'm going to be back. So with the preset settings, I'm getting about 30 to 40 frames per second. Not really ideal, so I'm going to try to lower the settings and tweak it more and see what kind of frame rate we can get. So hitting a little bit better, 40 frames per second too. This is all in medium for the most part. Yeah, this is not a very impressive graphics card. Always get this axe. What the fuck? It looks like Heisenberg. What's up, bitch? Alright, so still around the same. Getting about 30, 40 frames per second. I'm going to be doing another Let Go meetup. I'm going to be picking up the RX 580. I've been messaging with this dude. He's willing to let it go for $80. It's an XFX version, and I think it's the 4GB version. So we're just gonna have to see if this is legit or not. Hopefully everything goes well. I'll update you guys in a little. So here's the card itself. It's the 4GB version. It's an XFX card. Guys seemed really nice, so I think we should be good. I'm gonna test it as soon as I get home. This is a really good looking card actually, because it's got two fans and it's got the back plate. This will be really cool actually. All right. I can't Turns out this power supply only has a 6-pin power plug, and this GPU requires an 8-pin power plug, so this is really not going to work out. So that's what we're going to do for now until I get that new power supply. I'll start filming again. So I'm back. We have the EVGA 550B3. This was sealed, $30. So like I was saying earlier, this EVGA power supply is fully modular. It's the 550B3. Got it for $35 and was completely sealed, brand new. I just tore it up and opened it up, but this was a really nice power supply. All the cables are black and sleeved, so that's going to be a really good look in there compared to what we had originally. And we'll see how everything goes once I start setting this up. Okay, so I got the power supply installed. I got everything plugged in right now. And let me just show you this real quick. So everything's hooked up now. GPU's running, got all the fans spinning. System's good to go. Basically, all I have to do right now is sort out the cable management on this side. So it's not perfect, but it looks way better than what it was when I first got it. I'm actually going to tidy up this part a little bit more with some zip ties, but that's pretty much the gist of it for there. The back, so you can see over here, just using the tie down points and trying to hide cables as much as possible. Booyah! And that's the conclusion to our $360 gaming PC build. This thing actually turned out to be really awesome. I was surprised myself, and you know, back then getting a gaming PC that's equivalent to this, you'd have to spend a lot of money. Now you can play all these 1080p games and run them really well with just a fraction of the cost. You know, you're taking that risk whenever you're buying secondhand computer components, but you know, just doing your research, trying to really scope it out, seeing if the ad listings are really worth it, or seeing if this guy's got reviews, makes a big difference, you know. So just do your research and be safe out there. But anyways, I really enjoyed this PC build. I hope you guys did too. If you want to see more content, make sure you like, subscribe, leave that comment down below, ask whatever questions you have, give me some criticism, it's all good, and click the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget to share this with your friends if you feel like this is useful, and I hope you guys have an awesome one.